Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shruti Dikshit, Associate Professor, SEI School of Engineering and Technology, SEI University Bhopal. Today's our topic of discussion is radio frequency identification, that is RFID. Course name is Internet of Things. In RFID, two important components we have to discuss here: RFID reader as well as RFID tag. How the communication will be established between these two components, RFID reader as well as RFID tag. As I have told you, RFID, radio frequency identification, it is one of the important wireless technology. Here the data digitally encoded in RFID tags, which can be read by a reader. It is somewhat similar to barcodes. The data which is the data read from tags are stored in a database by the reader. If we will compare these traditional barcodes and QR codes, RFID tag data can be read outside the line of sight, which is the biggest advantage of RFID over other wireless technologies, which is barcode and QR code. Here, the one of the example in the store, the tag is attached to an object to carry the here the information is in the tag, which is attached to an object. The function of the reader is it establishes communication between the tag through an antenna. Reader can be fixed or portable. Database allows the storage and evaluation of the tag data in other applications. Application executes actions based on the data or exposes the data to end users so that action can be taken. Here the function of all the components mentioned in detail: inventory computer, RFID reader, antenna, and then RFID tag. Inventory computer controls all RFID reader in the system and keeps track of all items in inventory in real time. Reader sends and receives RF signal to and from the antenna and extracts RFID tag number. Antenna radiates and receives RF energy over a specified coverage area. And RFID tag reflects the transmitted signal with a coded modulation unique to the tag. This is the example. RFID features, RFID tag consists of an integrated circuit IC and an antenna, and tag is covered by a protective material which also acts as a shield over various environmental effects. There are two types of tags are there: active and passive. Passive tags are widely used. Here the passive tags have to be powered by a reader inductively before they can transmit information, whereas active tags have their own power supply. This is the biggest difference between the passive tags and active tags. Hence, the passive tags are more popular. Credit cards are embedded with RFID chips and that are needed for contactless payment. The working principle of RFID, radio frequency identification, is derived from the automatic identification and data capture technology, AIDC. Here in AIDC, it performs the object identification, object data collection, and mapping of the collected data to computer system with little or no human intervention. It uses wired communication, and RFID uses radio waves to perform AIDC functions. The two important components of RFID system include RFID tag or smart label and RFID reader. Here the communication is established between the RFID tag and reader contactless reader 13.56 megahertz. These are the few benefits of RFID. Tracking assets and managing inventory, saving time and money through automation, improving data accuracy and availability, enhancing health as well as safety, better control of production, enhance quality and traceability, increase revenues, and more in depth management information. And these are the few applications of RFID: inventory management, asset tracking, personal tracking, controlling accesses to restricted areas, ID badging, and supply chain management. So this is all about the RFID. Thank you so much.